A few days ago, Samsung launched the 10th iteration of the Galaxy S lineup in San Francisco. This time, we not only get the S10 and S10 Plus, but also a cheaper S10e, Samsung's answer to the iPhone XR. We're here at MWC 2019 and we got to get our hands on the devices, so here's a first look at them. First up is the all-new Samsung Galaxy S10e. The S10e is aimed at an audience who want the leisure of a Galaxy S device without having to burn a hole in their pocket. Well, somewhat. The first thing you notice about the S10e is the colors on the back. It's going to come in 6 colors, including a canary yellow and flamingo pink. On the back, you will also notice the 12MP and 16MP camera setup, with the 12MP coming with variable aperture and the 16MP, which is the ultra-wide angle lens. On the front of the device, we can see a cutout for the camera, making Samsung a brand to have never touched the notch. The cutout houses the 10MP selfie snapper. One unique thing on the S10e is the placement of the fingerprint sensor, which is on the right side, doubling also as the power button. Coming in with a smaller 5.8-inch dynamic AMOLED Full HD Plus display, powered by Samsung Exynos 9820 or the Snapdragon 855, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM and a 3100 mAh battery, the S10e is clearly powerful but at a slightly cheaper price. Now let's jump to the S10. The S10 comes in looking like a prettied up version of the S10e. The S10 comes with a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED, but unlike the S10e, it is a 2K display. The back of the phone brings around the triple camera setup, a first for the S line. 2 of the cameras in the back are 12MP, one with variable aperture and one telephoto, while the third camera is the 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The front again brings a cutout for the front selfie snapper, and yes, it is the same 10-megapixel as the S10e. Now, I cannot stress enough on how light these phones are, but yet maintain their premium feel. The S10 II is powered by the Exynos 9820 or the Snapdragon 855, depending on where you get it, but comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 or 512GB storage options. The phone has a mere 3400 mAh battery and also comes with an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The S10 seems to be a tough call considering how close it comes to the S10e as well as the S10 Plus, depending on how much you want to spend. Now jumping on to the big boy. The S10 Plus is the star of the S lineup, standing as quite a tall phone. The first thing you notice about the phone is the dual camera cutout on the front, which houses the 10MP front snapper along with an 8MP depth sensor. The display is the same as the S10 but stands taller at 6.4 inches. I do find that the dual cutout stands out a bit more on this display, but that can be subjective. The cameras on the back are the exact same setup as the S10 and guarantee the same compositional advantages of having 3 lenses on the back. The bottom of the S10 Plus as well as the S10 and S10e have the headphone jack, which is a welcome inclusion for many. I personally don't care for it anymore. The one unique feature of the S10 Plus is its storage option. It comes with a 12GB RAM version with a 1TB of storage. That's nuts! On the overall, all 3 devices have a specific audience and pertain to them. The pricing for the 3 devices isn't announced yet for our region, but all will be revealed at the local launch in the UAE on March 6th. To stay up to date, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you at the next one.